Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change Epic Games email without verification. So the first step is to go to Epic Games and then make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll have to do is simply delete this here and then enter help at the end like this and then search. Now what you'll have to do is simply scroll down and then what you'll have to do is simply go to account. So here it says search help center, search for accounts or click here accounts and then here go to accounts and then scroll down again and then click on contact us and then here you'll have to enter the platform. This is optional. Then here contact reason, you'll have to select Epic account and then here you'll have to tell them that you want to change the email address but you don't have access to it, and then basically click on start a live chat here. So as you can see, they are not available right now, depends at what time do you send the message, but you'll have to click on this one here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.